Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe Active, stock reference number 5270. This shape runs from the 7th month 2012 through to the 2nd month 2018. It has a G4 KJ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. G4 KJ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand fog light. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. And a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.